All right, we're going to be talking about functions. And what is a function? Well, it's not conjunction junction, what's your function? You know, that was that song from Schoolhouse Rock. Pretty catchy deal. But that's not the kind of functions we're talking about. We're talking about mathematical functions. And a function can be, it's a rule basically with what we call input values, which are the domain, or sometimes called our x's, and the output values, which is the range, or sometimes called our y. So, here's an example. We're going to have a domain here of x's of -1, 0, and 1, which we will input into our rule, which is 2x plus 3 equals y, which will be our range. So basically what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go put the -1 and plug it in. I'm going to go replace, I'm going to write the equation to parentheses x plus 3. And if you write it like this, if you use a calculator, you'll get your answer right every time. So, because the calculator knows the rule of operations that sometimes we mess up as people. But anyway, I'm going to plug in -1. So 2 times -1 will be -2 plus 3. And here we have two numbers that are opposite, so even though it says plus, I'm really subtracting. 3 is larger, so it will be +1. So that means that when x is -1, y is 1. So we have a range of 1 right there, which is the point -1, 1. Now let's go plug in the 0. Notice I wrote the same, I'm going to put a 0 there. What's 2 times 0? Well, it's 0. And 0 plus 3 is just 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. Or we have the point 0, 3. Alright, notice the x's are in red and the y's are in blue. Alright, and then let's go plug in our last number there. So we're going to plug in a +1. Well, here we go. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 3 makes it 5. So we have a range of 1, 3, and 5, which we could write as the ordered pair, -1, 1, 0, 3, and the point 1, 5. That is a function written out as listed in ordered pairs.